Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to recover Gmail account you couldn't sign in. It's pretty simple, but before I begin with the video, if you're interested in Shopify, you can get it for only $1 your first month. So basically, you have to visit the Google account recovery page, type in your Gmail username or ID, choose try another way to sign in, verify, and wait for the password reset link. So basically, if I were to click on this link, this takes you to accounts.google.com. Then you want to type in your email. So let's just use this one as an example. Click on next. And now if you know the password, just enter your password, click on next, and then you will need to follow on screen instructions from Google to recover the account. If you don't know, click on try another way. And in this example, I will just get a sign-in link in about 6 hours so that Google can confirm and verify that's me, and then just follow the on-screen instructions and you will be able to recover your Gmail account. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.